On my way to the hospital, guys. So, today is the day. Gagawin na natin yung CT scan sa aking brain. What's going on? Halata talaga, guys. Natingnan nyo, oh. Na ang kanyang ama, ang kanyang kasama. Hello, princess. What is that?
Chippies. Chippies, mommy.
Run.
Woohoo!
Sigang kasi.
Horsey! Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday everyone. It is very early in the morning, guys. It's currently 8 o'clock and naririnig niyo naman siguro sa boses ko, guys. I just woke up. It's Friday and I'm not working today because I'm on my way to the hospital, guys. So today is the day. Gagawin na natin yung CT scan sa aking brain. And yes, guys, I don't know how I feel ngayon. Natatakot, na nag-aalala. Maybe I think too much. Parang naisip ko yung worst case scenario ba. Kaya nga yesterday ayokong pag-usapan. And si Daddy Mike at Paris, nasa bahay sila. They're still sleeping. And yeah, umalis ako, natulog pa si Paris, guys. Pinadedi ko na naman siya kaninang early. So, she'll be fine with her dad. And I think yung drive kasi, guys, is around 25 to 30 minutes from here. So, I've got all my paperwork. Ayan na. And then sabi na I should get there, I don't know, 10 minutes before the appointment. So, we'll do that. And I just brought my big wallet kasi dito ko nilalagay yung aking mga papeles. Ayan, passport, and I've got my Medicare card just in case I need them. After ng appointment ko, guys, I'll come home. And then, yeah, it's going to be a really hot day today. Daddy Mike and I in Paris, we are going away, as mentioned yesterday. We are going away for the weekend. And it's good that we're doing that para maalis yung isipan ko sa, hindi ma-focus yung isipan ko sa CT scan. Yeah, so I'm very happy that we're doing that. At least my distraction yung utak ko. And yeah, that's about it. I'm just hoping and really praying that there's nothing wrong with my health, with my brain, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm hoping na ipag-pray nyo rin ako, guys, yung resulta ng brain CT scan natin na sana walang problema. And yeah, I just worry too much thinking about it, guys. So anyways, I'm gonna make a move now before we get late, and I'll see you when I get there. Okay guys, nandito na ako, and you know what, medyo napaaga tayo kasi natatawa ako, guys. Yung navigator ko pala kanina, nakaset siya sa bike. So ayan, kaya nagsabi na 25 to 30 minutes. Pero sa sa car pala, it's only 15 minutes, guys. Ayan. So nandito tayo na. Anong oras na ngayon? So it's now 8:50 ng umaga, and my appointment is 9:15. So meron pa akong time, guys, kaya tignan nyo. Nakaupo muna ako dito, nag-order ako ng hot chocolate. Ayan. And you know what here, guys? Merong nakalagay dyan. So if gusto mong umupo dito sa table na to, you have to provide your name and your phone number just in case may corona, outbreak na naman, ganon. They will let you know. But yeah, I will relax here for now, guys, kasi I'll go in 10 minutes. And, relax natin ang ating utak. Inom-inom muna tayo, guys. See you later. Hi, guys. So, kakapark ko lang dito sa harap ng ating bahay. Ayan. And, yeah, we're all done, guys. It's finito. The process itself, hindi siya matagal. It only took maybe less than 5 minutes. So, nilagay lang nila ako doon sa yung parang round na ano, guys. Humiga ako. And they asked me to take off all my earrings and my glasses. Tapos, pinahiga nila ako, guys. Nilagyan nila ng yung brace, yung dito sa ano ko, sa ulo ko, para still talaga ang aking head at hindi mag-move pa. So, yeah, the result daw, it will be in 2 days. However, dahil minark urgent ng aking doktor yung aking request. So, sabi niya, by the end of the day, matatanggap na ng doktor ko yung result. So, I think tomorrow, I'll give my doctor a call and just make an appointment for when we come back on Monday. Yeah. So, that's it, guys. Now, just going to see the family kasi naghihintay na sila sa akin, guys. And we'll see yung reaction ni Baby Paris ngayon pag nakita niya ako, guys. You okay? What's going on? Halata talaga, guys. Natingnan niyo, oh, na ang kanyang ama, ang kanyang kasama. Hello, princess. What is that?
Chippies.
Chippies, kiss mommy, baby. Did you miss mommy?
The burn and candies.
Did you eat candies? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang damit, guys.
That has
Hala, tapos ang brief ng kanyang daddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go in. Wow, chippies. That's yummy. Did daddy make that?
Yeah.
Hello, oh my God, anak. Uy, naunsa naman namin sa nina, anak.
Mine is the big one.
It's the helicopter. Go in, go in. Oh gosh, it's too hot. Have you been a good girl to daddy? Hmm?
And they eat candy.
Did you eat candies?
There's only one hurting.
There's only one?
No, God, I guess three.
It's 3. Are we gonna go get ready now? Where are we going?
I can get my finger hurting.
Your finger is hurting. We don't put that in your... What? Not it's dirty.
They have my finger, Mommy.
Hurt your finger? Oh
Yeah.
no.
So,
Hi again, guys. So it's now 12:40 and we are now ready. Nakabihis na tayo and all. Hindi na ako nag-contact lens, guys, kasi I just couldn't be bothered and I think that my eyes are too dry for it right now. So, nagdala na lang ako ng ilang pares ng contact lens just in case tomorrow I want to wear it. But for now, and also, guys, hindi rin ako nag-makeup. Tingnan nyo ang aking mukha. So, nilagyan ko lang ng moisturizer and sunscreen. Kasi, yung pupuntahan lang naman talaga namin ngayon ay beach kasi nga maganda yung araw. And then, later on, pupunta kami doon sa place kung saan kami magstay for 2 nights. And now, I'm just going to quickly show you my outfit, guys. So, this is my outfit. Ayan. So, floral lang tayo na top. Para super summer talaga. And then, I've got my pek-pek shorts. And then, just the flats black. At ito siya, guys. Ayan, ito yung hat na binili ko. I don't know. Nung sa office, kailangan namin mag-char-char. Binili ko to siya. Hindi na ako bumili ng iba kasi okay pa naman to. Just to keep my face away from the sun, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman ang ating beauty derm. Baka masunog pa ang ating kamukhaan. And, dinala na pala ni Daddy Mike yung mga bags namin sa sasakyan. Ito naiwan kasi dito nakalagay yung mga moisturizer and all. So, ito yung mga toiletries ko, guys. And then, ito yung bag na yung gagamitin ko for punta kami ng beach, ganyan. Kasi, kasyang-kasya dito yung mga nappies and wipes ni Paris. Ayan. So, that's our look, guys. And now, I'm just gonna go see Paris and Daddy. Ayan na ang dalawa, guys. Oh, super excited. Nakapastel pa sila kulay, guys. Tingnan nyo, pink na pink si Daddy Mike at si Paris ay naka-yellow.
Where's that?
We're going on a lion hunt.
scared.
I'm not scared.
Fish.
Swish, swish, swish.
Fish.
Yay!
Oh no.
Oh no. Tignan nyo ang kanyang
It's
water bottle, guys. Oh, ito yung sabi nyo, guys, na dito itatali sa kanyang liig para hindi niya bitin. Say hi sa tita, be. Hi sa tita, be. Guys, sinan nyo ang kanyang suot, guys. Sinong makakapagsabi na galing sa ukay-ukay yan, guys? Yan yung pinakita ko sa inyo a couple of days ago, I think. Ayun yung kanyang top and kanyang shorts. Ukay-ukay yan sila. Pero sobrang cute.
Move here.
Move here. Hello, we have to go now. Daddy's in the car now. Come on. Gotta get something to eat and then we'll go. Come on. Baby girl, say bye-bye, Lola. Nak, bye-bye, Lola, nak. Say bye-bye, Lola.
What is that for?
Oh, thank you. Do you want to get one for Mommy? Thank you, my love. Thank you, my sweet little angel. Come on na. Hi guys, nandito na kami dito sa mga shops kasi maghahanap kami na makakain muna. It is currently 2 ng hapon. So the drive was just over an hour. So hindi siya masyadong malayo talaga, guys. And sobrang init na init talaga. Nakalabas na si Daddy Mike at Paris. So we're gonna go. I'll take you with me kasi maghahanap kami ng lunch. And si Paris, guys, oh, yung langhab. She was sleeping in the car the whole time. The whole way. So, dito kami ngayon sa harapan ng mga shops. It's your mas, Daddy. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng araw, guys. Oh, look at this sky. So blue. And then yung beach ay nandyan lang. Sa likuran ng mga building na yan. Okay, so let's go. Find something to eat. Come on, honey. Ayaw maglakad ng ating baby girl, oh. Arsa pa more. Arsa pa more. Guys, wala kaming nakitang ibang restaurant ba? Gustong-gusto ko sanang Malaysian.
Yeah, we're gonna go there.
Pero punta na lang kami dyan, oh, sa Rosebud Hotel.
We're gonna go
Sa
there.
pub. Maybe I'm going to have steak na lang. Oh. Kasi super hungry na, guys. It's 2 o'clock. Haven't had anything.
We're gonna sit down.
Ayan ang aming
We're
chair.
gonna
Dito
stand
kami
and
sa
dance?
labas, guys.
You wanna dance or not? Let's dance.
Sorry about that.
No, no, it's okay.
It's okay, my love. Sus. Wawa naman, guys. Naipit yung kamay niya dito. It's okay. It's alright. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? The daddy's ordering now. Oh, what would you like? What, baby?
There's got ice cream.
Wow, would you like ice cream? Oh, wow. Wipe the tears now.
They've got ice cream. Chippies for Paris.
Is it hot? Blow, huh? It's not hot anymore?
This one is why yummy.
Yummy.
This is meat.
It's like this. You do like this, Paris. Look. Ready? 1, 2.
Green ones. Eh?
Yan, guys. Tapos na kaming mag-lunch.
You're gonna hold Daddy's hand while we're going across the road, okay?
We are now heading to the beach. So, itong
Daddy's got
dalawang
hands
to
full, see?
gusto nang mag-beach.
Daddy's hand is full.
Basta anak. Sa tito?
Say hi, Tito.
Hi, tito. Hi, tito. Hi, tito. Come on. Excited na siya, oh. Si Daddy nagkabagood na sa iyang bag. That's the beach there. Sobrang init, guys. Grabe. Come on. Walk like this. Start
Walk, sweetheart.
walking.
Keep walking.
Keep walking. Keep walking. Ayan na, guys, oh. Ang dagat.
Up.
You hurt your feet.
Come on, up to Daddy.
Daddy will carry you. Oh. Yeah, Daddy will carry you.
Come on, up. I'll take it up when we go up. Come up. Up first.
And guys, oh, meron pala silang pantalan dito. Woohoo! Oh, may naliligo na si ate, oh. Ayan, ito yung tubig na dito, guys. Hindi siya kasing ganda nung pinuntahan namin na beach before. Ah, it's too hot. Grabe, sobrang init. Stay here.
Throw it in the water.
Woo!
Toys.
Basa na ang bata-batuta. Anod na to, nak. Yung pala. Maganda dito, guys, kasi very shallow yung water. Oh, pwede makapaglakad-lakad si Paris. Ang ganyan. Sa isang beach na gustong puntahan ni Daddy Mike, maalon doon. And also, walang ganito. Si Paris, doon lang si Paris sa gilid-gilid. Woo! Wait, Daddy na. Okay. Wait, Daddy. O, tingnan nyo, oh, malayo-layo na yung nalakaran namin. Sit!
Yeah, I'll get it for you.
If you do it, then you can do it. You can do it, you see.
That's grass, honey. Don't be scared. See?
This one,
Put it in your cup. Get it? Wow, what have you got?
I can do glass.
Look at the grass.
Oh, mommy.
And look, ah.
And then put your legs right around Daddy. More. This one, yeah. Come on. Put your legs on Daddy. Yeah. Okay, ready? Hold on.
Woohoo!
Go, Horsey.
Horsey!
Put it in Mommy's.
Guys, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, nakakita kami ng mga shells ba? Ako pala. Tinatabanan ako ni Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi ginaganyan-ganyan ko lang ang aking paa ba. Tapos nakakakita ako. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Oh. Daddy, I've got another one. See? Oh my foot.
Yeah, I told you, you could
Get it, get it.
get it off Mommy.
No, just dropped it. Here.
What's that?
Lang dami dito, guys. Sarap kaya nitong sabayin, guys. Oh. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, we're not in the Philippines. Hello. Oh, ginaganyan ko lang ba? Kasi sanay kasi ako, guys. Malapit kasi sa dagat yung bahay namin before.
Try more.
Tapos, manguan ba?
Let me see his feet.
Mga sasawag ano eh. Napanak, oh. Eh, mama's foot.
Uncle Fu.
Wow.
The cute.
So cool.
Try more.
Manintuway.
Try more.
Maayo kay ko ana, guys. Pag ginabuhi ba?
Yes, Paris?
Yeah.
Kinabuhing pobre.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, ganyan ba? Oh. Wow! Wow! Do you like it, Paris? Do you like it? Don't move. Balance, balance.
Shadow.
Balance, balance.
Shadow. Find the shadow.
Yeah, you can find the shadow. Don't move. Make sure you balance, honey. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Is that fun?
Just leave it, Daddy. Just let the water push it.
I walk on this way, you can, Daddy.
Just wait a little. Yeah.
Go. My way. Go this way. Go this way.
Paddle. Paddle na.
Good job. Okay, legs up, legs up. 1, 2, 3.
Where?
Woo. Woo.
Hold on. Hold on.
Guys, dito na kami sa aming aming palasyo. Ay, tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl. Oh, go with daddy na nakaw.
No.
So, ito ang aming room, guys. Ayan, so may bed dito na maliit. Kay baby Paris, are you going to sleep here tonight, nak? Nak? And then, ito yung aming bed. Ayan, welcome to the beach. And then, dyan is yung backyard lang. Ayan, oh. Pwede kang upo-upo dyan paggabi, ganyan. Then, we've got the, TV and some thing here. Nilagay ko na yung ating mga damit. What is it here? Yung microwave. And then we've got like the little fridge. We have like coffees, tea, biscuit, and that's it really, guys. Nak, sige na, nak, be. Go shower with daddy now. Now 8 o'clock ng gabi at lalabas tayo kasi magdi-dinner tayo sa labas. And you know what? Ang ating baby girl ay kakagising lang talaga. Like literally, maybe a few seconds ago. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang hair. Oh. Nakatulog siya, guys, kasi sobrang comfortable dito. And also, di ba naligo siya sa dagat. Kaya yun. Mama, will you just fix your hair quickly? Anak, and then we'll go out, okay? Mama will fix the hair. Mama will fix the hair. One.
That's me.
What is that?
That's me. This is fun.
Daddy.
Not to me.
Ice cream? There's no ice cream.
No, I see.
Suki-suki lala. Ayan, guys, so aalis na tayo. I-close na lang natin yung vlog dito, guys, kasi I think mahaba-haba na siya. We will see you again tomorrow kasi for sure magba-vlog tayo. And yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I will just do a quick shout out, guys. Of course, hindi natin makakalimutan yan. Shout out to Freddy Martinez Jr., Fides Piging, Mardy Pido, Fritzy Marjorie Ramos, Mad Brat, Wilma Belarmino, Vicky Inot, Sally Saminiano, Inday Eds. Shout out to Krisia Pasaylo, Gail, Chelay Fancherer, Luz Tiongson, Jovey Opiasa, Claudine's Kitchen Claudine Reed, Elsa Serrano, May Gao, Emmy Garcia, and Mai Vargas. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nasa labas may kausap. Kung may bigyan dito. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Go for bye.
bye!